Good morning. I'm going to go through your answers to the problem set for this week, starting with number 2. Part A should be 2.9 times 10 to the 4th joules. Part B, 5.8 times 10 to the 4th joules. Number 3, 6.0 times 10 to the 2nd joules. Part B, 5.9 times 10 to the 3rd joules. Number 4, 1.1 times 10 to the 2nd joules. Number 6, 6.5 times 10 to the 3rd joules. 7, part A, 903 joules. Part B, negative 903 joules. Number 9, part A, 6.9 times 10 to the 3rd joules. Part B, negative 1.5 times 10 to the 4th joules. And number 10, 1.15 times 10 to the 3rd watts. And 1.15 kilowatts. That's it for the problems for this week. We're going to work through some of these on Friday.